Hi class. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to do the deck project in AutoCAD. And I've created a file from the standard ACAD template. I'm going to now set the units, set them to architectural, and I'm going to make the precision at 1/8 inch for this particular deck. We're going to set our limits. 0, 0 is the lower, and the upper is 14 foot, 14 foot. Zoom all. We set our grid and snap. So our grid is going to be 1 foot and our snap is going to be a 1/2 inch. Turn it on first, set it, 1/2 inch. And we're good. So I'm now going to start creating the joists. The 2x6 joists are 1.5 inches and 12 foot long. Put in a at 12 feet, comma 1.5. I'm going to readjust my view a little bit and save my file. Save it as your deck. Okay, next one we're going to do a rectangle again, and we're going to specify the corner at 1.5 inches, comma 12 feet. We're now going to copy the lower horizontal joist up to the top. I'm going to copy this one over 1 foot. I'm going to use the at 12, 0. And I'm now going to start creating my blocking and my bricks. Rectangle. And I'm going to use the nearest point, NEA, enter, to put the blocking right here. And the blocking, if we do the calculation, is 10.5 inches wide. 10.5, comma 1.5. And our bricks, we're going to draw some bricks. And I'm going to use my nearest point again. Pick it there. Give me a brick that's 4 inches by 8 inches. These are standard 2x4, 2x6 sizes and standard brick sizes. I'm going to copy this 2 more times. So there's my bricks to support the joist underneath. I'm now going to use the array command. We're going to array these items. Rectangular array. We have 1 row. So we're going to have to select 1 row, enter, and it doesn't matter the spacing. Columns, we're going to have 11 columns. And their spacing is going to be 1 foot apart, 12 inches. And our array is now done. We hit enter. We draw one more joist, rectangle. Start here. I'm going to do minus. I'm going to use the at function, at minus 1.5, comma 12 feet. And save my file. And this is the deck project done.